Hi guys, so this is a video on the Conspiracy Palette by Jeffree Star with Shane Dawson on the track. I like this palette. I pretty much like all of Jeffree's eyeshadow palettes. The only color I thought was a little not my taste was Pigment, and I think it's because it's kind of close to the undertones in my skin. So I think it just the color payoff's excellent and it's a lovely color. It's a lovely quality. It's just not the color I like. But the other colors are really dope. I had to get right into food videos. That was like my number one. I had to jump for it. Sleep paralysis, I love. Just a theory, Diet Cola, not a fact. So as I'm doing this video, I will talk about my feelings about each of the colors and go through them. I like all of them though, so there's not really any like real scathing review that can be had. And I wanted to mention as well that these videos are for color inspiration. They are not for super blended, perfect looks. That's not what I'm doing this for. I want to show you some color options that you may have or that you may not think of. If you're looking for more polished, full face, perfecting my makeup, go to my Get Ready With Me series. But this is just color inspiration on this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye! Okay, so hopping right into that neon chartreuse color, I really enjoy it. I did not expect that I would because of the fact that it's a neon, and neon is a very hard color to do, but I really liked it. I just packed it on slowly, and I knew I wasn't gonna get maximum payoff in one swipe, so I really packed it on and focused it on the base. The browns are nice, as always. The silver is nice. I really enjoy how this look came out. I love the neon color. And then going into the greens, I like the darker green more than the light green, and I love the purple. The light green was a bit not as impactful as the dark green. Maybe because it's a lighter color. I don't know if it's just like I prefer the dark. I don't know. But I do enjoy the light green still. And I like how they all look together as well. When I was working as a makeup artist, I used to get asked all the time for purple smoky eyes. And like, I don't think people realize, like, I don't know, smoky eye for me is dark, you know what I'm saying? So, whatever. I love the neutral colors as well. The shimmery browns, the matte browns. I love the orange, the red, the chartreuse, the shimmery pink, the mint color. I think it's called What's the Tea. That one I really enjoyed as well too. The silver, the purple, sleep paralysis. I really enjoy them all. I just found Pigment wasn't my color. But it really had the same quality as the rest of them, in my opinion. I didn't find any hair in mine. I saw that people were finding fibers and shit, and I guess Jeffree addressed it after blocking some concerned patrons. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't do these videos, though, to talk about people's personalities or to talk about people's... Like, I have opinions on Jeffree, and I have opinions on Shane, and that's not what these videos are for, you know what I mean? Like, no one gives a fuck about my opinion. They just want to know if the makeup is nice, and they want to know some color combinations, so... I love orange and pink. I've always loved those two together. This look was definitely one of my favorites. It was kind of inspired by the video I just did, inspired by my subscriber Harley. This one's just a bit brighter on the lid, with that hot pink color. Yeah, and then that red, the purple. What else is there? And the colors on the top left are nice as well, too. One is called Ranch, I think. I don't know why that grosses me out, though. Like, shit named after food. I don't know. It's just, like, gross to me. But there's obviously a market for it, so who gives a fuck, right? This was like a sunset kind of vibe I was feeling. Did anyone get anything from this collection? I'm curious, because I know that the website fucked up, and Beautylish held my order for like 3 weeks. It just got here yesterday, and I was like, okay, it's a little fucking extra, don't you think? And then they messaged me, and they're like, oh, we can't give you the Black Mirror because it's all sold out. I'm like, bitch, why the fuck did you allow me to enter it into my motherfucking cart? But anyway, I bought it for a little bit of a higher price from someone, but whatever. I like to rhinestone them, and I have a wall of rhinestoned J-Star mirrors, so I'll be adding the pigs. Very exciting. I like how this look turned out as well too. I believe I used sleep paralysis on the lid, and I quite like that color. I think it's very unique. I had started this clip started this look before I pressed record, so I apologize for that, but it's just the mint, and then that nude color I pointed to, and then Ranch on the inner corner. This one, I was thinking of the Canada flag. I'm Canadian, so I was like, oh, let me just play around and see if this is a good color combination, because sometimes I try color combinations off camera and they don't make it into the video. But this final look I quite enjoyed. With the really heavy liner, I think it kind of made it look like the silver that's on my lid was like another lid. I don't know. It was very unique to me. Anyway. And then this is the green, the dark green all over the lid, which I really like. This was one of my favorite looks that I did. It is the dark green with food videos, that gorge chartreuse color. I think that color should have been in Jawbreaker because it matches the chartreuse mirrors that came out with the Jawbreaker collection perfectly, in my opinion. But really want Jeffree to start selling single eyeshadows. I think that would be awesome.
And my lips look just like a mega report. And the kids said screaming you were better before what? Bitch, still snorting away. Still sipping Red Bull about a gallon a day. Still rapping, chilling, knowing I didn't play. Don't doubt me, you bitch, get out of my way.
I love how this look came out. I think it's super cool. And this is how I always used to do my makeup when I was going for a Marilyn Monroe look. I plan on doing a video inspired by her soon, but it's like kind of a basic thing to do, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. Thanks guys, bye!